Can you dig it, sucker? Can you dig it, sucker?
Hello guys, welcome to Queries Resolved. In today's segment, we'll see how to install Android applications on your smartphone using your laptop or desktop without any wired connection between those two. Well, before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and also like the video after you finish watching it. Well, this method will be useful for those who mostly work with their laptop or desktop having their phone away from them. At times, they might find few applications online which may attract them. Hence, instead of going and picking up their phone, they can do it directly on their laptop or desktop. Before going into this method, we have to keep a few things in our mind. Number one, you must be logged in with the same Google account both on your smartphone as well as your laptop or desktop, as there is a link to be created on your account so that the application gets installed onto your phone. Number 2, if you want your application to be installed on a smartphone, you must be connected to the internet. Well, that's a fact, everyone knows it, but still, there might be few guys who might get confused during this procedure. So make sure that you have turned on your mobile data on your smart device. Even if you have not turned it on for a while, once you turn it on later, the application will be installed automatically. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we'll go to our browser and then go to the Play Store. Now we'll click over here. In the search bar, type the name of the application which you wish to install. For now, I'll install some normal game. Click on it. I have already installed this game a couple of times. That's the reason it's showing installed right over here. But I have uninstalled it in my phone, so I can again proceed installing it. I'll click here. Here you will be directed to confirm your account, whether you are the genuine person who is accessing your account or not. So enter the password of your account and then proceed. In this box, you'll find an option of choosing a device. One person might have their account on multiple devices. So based on your personal interest on which device you want to install your application, you can choose it right here. I'll choose my Moto E5 Plus and then click install. So it's showing that it will be installed. Now click OK. Now it's time to switch to our mobile screen. So here we find that the installation has begun and almost done. Yeah, done. So we can see that our app has been installed over here and everything went fine. This was something which many of you might not know, but is surely a simple and useful thing. So guys, if you want to watch more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have liked the video, do hit the like button and share the content with your friends and family. That's all for today guys. This is Vikram Parikh signing off. Your queries, my solutions. Thank you.